What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I did get a haircut, so hopefully you guys like it. I have a hat on right now because it looks kind of gross, but that's okay. We did finish up the phone repair that you dropped off. As you can see, it's right here. I was a little confused on why you brought us an iPhone 4, but hey, I like the classics as well. So we did a whole new frame, screen, and back for you. So it's looking brand spanking new. Buttons all clicky and stuff. The screen is tempered glass. So yeah, everything on it is looking great. What was that? Yeah, Apple stopped supporting this phone about probably 10-15 years ago. Yeah. Okay, yeah. For sure, yeah. So let me just get you checked out here. What was it? Yeah. We do like a spa service, yeah. Not a lot of folks ask about it, so I was a little confused there, but yeah. Just have a seat and I'll take a look. Okay. Sure, yeah. Okay, yeah, no, I do see something in there, yeah. Let me just, oh, I see, okay. How did that get in there? I'm sure that feels a lot better now, huh? I do need to test your eyeballs. So I do need you to just follow this light for me. It's standard procedure. So if you could just, yeah, just follow that light for me. Very good. Even all the way back there, I need you to follow that light. Oh, there it goes. Oh. very good. Yeah, so I mean, I think that's about it. What was that? No, we don't. I don't think we offer head massages. So we do offer head massages. Sweet. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I think that was pretty good. So we do this kind of like cleansing scrub as well. So I'll go ahead and get started on that for you. Well, I think that'll about do it for your services today. We do offer a complimentary candy. Would you like one? Perfect, yeah. Shoot. I'm so sorry. I totally got hungry today at lunch, and I think I ate them all. I'm really sorry. I think I'll go ahead and just make all of your services free today, even the phone repair. Yep. Well, yeah, thank you so much for coming in. Here's your iPhone 4 back for you. Yeah, definitely. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate the love that I've been getting recently. I really appreciate it. 2,000 subscribers. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, I just appreciate all the love, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you want some more content, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button down there. So love you guys. See you in the next one.